Kurumjari, Times of Manipur gi akhanaba khudol health and wellness miyeng tabiri singbu taram okchari. Mamangi episode singda aikoina tongan ba laina layong sing amadi masigi laying singi matangda aikoina expert singa unaduna wari sajakre ngasi su aikoina expert ama puduna ngasi aikogi studio sida lakchari hariba thorama sida tongan ba mawongda aikogi haksang asi fana karamna legadage aduga laina layong changdana tinjang kaijangdana karamna legadage habdugi matangda khanajage ngasi aikoina puduna lakchari ba guest asi entrepreneur ma khagni aikoi manipur dagi haukiba aduga entrepreneur ma khagni aduga aikogi fitness world sida haitare yam chawba contribution ama pibiriba adugumlaba entrepreneur ma khagni kudol tamjage Mrs. Satya Sinha aikogi studio da taramna okchari
ya kurumjari
ahan mare khangjani se akoi madam gi akoi keno se introduction se mayamna hena khangnabagi damakta mateng amtang thambi.
Okay, I say Satya Sinha, Huzikti Ko Sinha, the Lohonga Banina, Manipur, the Chauzarak Pani, Adu Bangalore, the life is 35 years Sure, Aduga Aina Huziko, Agi brand Marilai, health, fitness and wellness, and the diet. Chisel and Ama, Medifit and Ama, the Orca Cafe and Ama. 2000 the house open business.
Equine Madam Matang the Sum Tizen Zabomatam, the Hajabtari, Madam husband, say, Hogi, Dr. Ramakakniana, Kamba Mamzere, Dr. Oibagi, Dr. Gi, wife from website, wife of a Dr. Oibanina, Heidi Ba, Kogi, Changseli Ba, Kogi Kongtang Sida, Karai Fauba Masina Mating Oigi.
Hoi, Dr. Amagi, wife from Oisuka, internally discussion Tauzego, health and fitness, say, cam important, or yes, preventive health say yam important oiko preventive health say mind body soul say healthy oiba adu idi doctor da sataba yare doctor da lying da yare ko adugi important oiba sina ko akoi assessment tauzaraga preventive health program semba diet or so exercise or so kayam important oy se akoi khangjar
aduga ngasagi akoi health and wellness ki ngasi thorama sigi main topic sida akoi well being sida lakchin hing mamang da haijab tare akoi madam say akoi first generation entrepreneur ne na akoi family yo first generation entrepreneur nena koina khamangam je ado haibasi oina bhona bada tonga challenges me amama thengna biramgani haiba challenges sing do
yeah so challenge se ko aina hauzara pada 2000s I say fitness health fitness yam pamjaba ko pamjaba sta I like tam loiraga mayamna aina gym hangninge gym toge habse ko 2000 that is gym se khoi nupa na toba exercise weight se ko khoi medical background yaudana assessment yaudana scientific way yaudana putok na bena nupi oiraga kamaina aina health and fitness ki gym gi business hangdoi no na challenge mayama ba face tore adagi mapanda su ko mapanda leibina khoi manipur masani na mapanda su challenge khara adum challenge le ko business coding mata khoina goals achievement tauge khanbada adum challenge ya but I faced
yam no ai aduga khoi hori ba sing sida su masina inspiration am oira kanda tongan ba pangthokni ba thabak singda tawba ngamjana bagi adum ba thongna du fangni haibasi thamjage adu makha ta da ina lakchani se khoi gi tongan ba sigi changchal iba journeys da haijab tare to awards me am achievements me am phangbiram lagani masigi matem tang thambi
hoi I say award phang ba ina harok pase ko 2012 tagi women empowerment award ama phange 2012 da aduna first ne phang base ko adugi maram dusu adum women entrepreneurship oibagi phang bane adu dagi di 2013 2015 every year ai brand gi ko fastest growing brand gi award phang re dagi women empowerment gi amuk phang re best women entrepreneur gi phang re best facilities and services ki phang re so I'm thankful to God
aduga hauzik yamna mayamna khangning da doiba wahang amana haijaba tare akhoi gi hairiba akhoi gi hodore ise akhoi Bangalore da base torga hodore ise why Bangalore have se yam job question am oiri masi
hoi I se ko Bangalore da tamak pa ko Bangalore da tamak pa da aina khanjaba da ai isagi health and fitness am pamjaba ko music kumba dance kumba fitness am pamjaba ni na aina the base toram ni na aina I thought it's the best place to start so that I can grow all over India.
Yam fazaba pokoma pibiri aduga makhata da lakchani si akoi atai akoi gym mayam am leire maming paludraga su tongan ba franchise yam aduga imphal da bhawda phanyam am leire bako ada hairi ba gym si khandabi da hauziki madam gi gym sida piri ba akoi gi tongan ba makhal gi akoi gi treatment tongan ba makhal gi akoi facilities sing se kari no why your gym hai basima ai khangse
hoi ai ye dream de ko ai isagi brand ama hangza ba ko international brand mayam am lai competition mayam am lai adu so ai isagi brand se hanga ai isagi brand se da ai apamba health wellness fitness haibagi program mayam add to bose pamjaba dagi ai isagi brand hangsabane ko adu da ai gi da yawi se ai gi ti ko 18 years to 70 years of age group se aina loina invite tawi kai gi no da ai gi makhan laibani na akhoi DNA test tawi ko program mi amagi program decide tawdringai da adugi mamang da akhoi assessment tawse assessment ga DNA ga test ka tawbani na akhoi na mi amagi karamba individualized program same ni habas akhoi clearly khange ko adu khangbana matung ina mi kharana weight lifting tawningi mi kharana cardio tawningi mi kharana dance tawba pamana dance ki program da hapsan ba mayam se tawdringai da khoi assessment loin taraga tawbade akhoi gidi scientific way the result piba ko DNA test taraga aduna difference oi aina khalle aduga program sina vast program leba ko age group mayam gi
yam nungai je yam na marik chumna akhoi gi khenaba sing se thambiri makha da lakchening se akhoi gi angang oiringai matam da haijaba tare angang oiringai matam da angang ma thangbuda nang hayeng chawraga kari oiningi doctor oiningi engineer oiningi lawyer oiningi mayam am haiba adu madam gi oina di angang oiringai de gi sugumba fitness ka mari leina thabak thorom sing se pakhat ki haibagi apam se lebirak pra adu natragana karam matamdagi sigumbagi interest se develop to bahuri
ai na angang oi ngadi pamja pa se music kumba dance kumba fashion kumba se pamjarak ko adu pamjarak pa sta ina kharma da adum NCC araktana dagi sports kumba se am pamja ba sta related to that fitness business start ko adu fitness is the ko akhoi holistic fitness I'm not talking about just lifting weight and building muscles. Holistic fitness is the mind, body, soul healthy or the tauruba khuding magta mayam se loina success or any family. This is or any adagi company. The buthabak taurasuka or any adu khan aina pamza haitare health fitness is my heart.
Yam nungai je aduga ngasai exercise to basi akhoi mipum khudimang na dum haina ga lege exercise to haksang phana legi haide exercise is very important for your body ko masi loina mang na haina ga leirabni mi myam na loina mang khangna ga leirabani ba ada according to you haitare akhoi gi fitness ki sigumba business amda leibiriba miyo amoina expert amoina exercise hai basi karai phawba important oi bagi aduga masi wat padagi kari health issues sing lakpa ya bagi
exercise am important why everybody should do exercise adoi su wrong exercise to busu phatte ko first of all the first right exercise se kamaina guide lauraga tawni se decide tawraga exercise se masa gi chana ba exercise se loin tawraga haksang pharakodoina if moina ko exercise wrong tawrakanda chana dabana problem thopasu lai adu matangda disease mayam lai se exercise tara chasala
phonjala ki wrong exercise to bodagi lakpa ya ba khoi gi body da lakpa ya issue sing se kari di lai
this joint injury mainly joint problem ko joint problem lakpa se yam phatte adagi khara amana mayang kang ko exercise yam taw busu se anemi oi ko adu chanaba diet chanaba exercise ina quite important ni exercise tawraga tawdra kan lakpa disease mayam se ko khoi diabetes or high BP or high cholesterol mayam am lai basa cure di tawba ngamen exercise tawraga adagi eat clean tawraga ko
yam nungai je makha tabda khoi lakchening se khoi miyo yamana haksang da nungai tabe any shula health problem am lakpa matam da doctor da unai doctor na de advice pirak kadone exercise tawna aduga exercise tawba matam da ngasai gi gym da ne ba khoi gi direct interaction tawdoi ba ngasai gi thabak sing se pangthok kadoi di gym da ne ba tongan ba issue sing mi amaga sak mana da badona khoi gi issue sing si mana roi doini tongan ba miyo sing se lakpa matam da kamaina deal tawbi moi gi damakta ngasai mamang da budi haibi khra DNA test tawbu khotpa
first of all before test me am se tawdring khoi counseling tawe ko medical advice doctor na advice tara di moi report me am lai ko report se check tawraga counseling tawraga moi masa gi problem mayam am lai tumba yada ba adum mayam am lai mayam se understand taw loira kan khoi na assessment tawraga adugi matung da individualized program is designed adu so they have to follow that
matang sila chaning se hoji khwai dagi main oina thengnari ba problem akhoi gi gym da lai bu sing sida hai tar ga di obesity sine obvious oiba mi ama lakpa matamda masigi matang sidadi kamaina deal tawbi aduga magi damakta general oina haitare akoi mi amagi personalize oiba nataba general oina ayamba da tawbase karam ba mawongda magi ngasagi obesity se fight tawna bai damakta
basic before designing individual program basic mi amana tawgadaw se ko stretching han tawgadaw ne adagi cardio han tawgadaw adagi little bit strength and then cool down warm up cool down all this is very important and then floor exercise adu the basic ne kaim na design tawdring matungda 15 days ti adumai taw important oira ko adu warm up kawe adu gi matungda khoi obesity gi design taw program do follow tawradi wade aduna adum successful oi
aduga ngasai matang sida khangjening se obese oiba mi amna overweight oiba mi amna haitare magna keno gi heavy cardio tawba adagi magi keno tawba matam da exercise tawba matam sida magi joints da knees da problem yam lakpagi khoi problem yam ama thengna mamang da laikhreba hai ba sing sidi kamaina tackle to
that is the reason akhoi na hana magi body se complete assessment tawba darkar weight fat kyam lay weight kya no fat kya no water content aduma mayam se check tawraga ko directly we cannot make them run on a treadmill you see so that's why you need warm up stretching basic first
maki tawdringai mamang da pangthokada thabak sing pangthokadi mon da sokningai oiden tapibani yam nungai je aduga makha tabada khoina mulak chening se khoi nasagi exercise tawbasi yam important oi have se khoina khangjare adubu masiga chapana important oi basi hojikti what you are what you eat have ma lay aduna khoi diet management se yamna important
yam important oi
masigi matana kha thambi
diet management se quite important oi bidiko very scientific way da wari sana haina radiko akhoi DNA test tawraga karamba chaba yaba kari chaga da individual mi loima kenai ko it's different for everybody so adu ngam da bang hai di ko balance diet taw da ba ko oil gu mayam sabi da ba spicy gu mayam sabi da ba duga daily breakdown taw ba food se ko amuk tang chaba da yam chasan mu se phate adu gi matungin adu eat clean hai se phanyam exercise so chaba da phajana control taw tredi ko balance diet taw de ai wakhan da di kaim kana de
yam phaja wafam ma thambiri chaba da phajana chadraga di exercise mana tawraga su madu khoi haksang da faningai oide na takpi bani yam nungai je ado makha taw da lakcheni se khoi manipur da piktak na yengjaw matam da manipur da haiba tare manipur gi oiba tongan ba khoi gi eating habit ama lai hai ri ba sida afaba su leiram gani phattaba su leiram gani som observe to bi matam da afaba na karam bano phattaba na karam bano mateng thang thambi
ai wakhan da di ko manipur da chari ba chinjak sing de aseng bai de healthy ne ko we eat lot of greens right healthy nga ta ne khoi na sai se aduga marak ta fermented food yaw se si yaw tra di khoi gi di adum aina khanba da de we eat healthy ya
aduga khoi gi yamna khoina keno to observe to matam da hai tai manipur gi khoi gi nong magi chari ba lunch to oiro dinner do oiro khoi gi ratio se hai ba tare chak na yam hena cha ba aduga injang na yam na cha da ba masigi matang da kari heavy
yeah so balance diet de sak si yam char su hinjang mana masing yam charaga ko adu kaim kai de ba exercise to running to outdoor to cycling to fitness is any form it can be anywhere yum da tawar so ya yum da chong ba staircase le staircase hang da sa laga dam exercise din ko chak ma yam na so pu su natte adu isu balance to greens to ga da gi chak to ga dam manar di ka su kai
masi balance ro ga cha ba ma changi khoi gi haksang da darkar oi ba polam sing asi phangan ba ma changi habni yam nungai jei wari di yam nungai ri adu bu wari gi marak than na ten ba break am tang lo jage yam thunan jerake miyang ta don lebi
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9th January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Break ki matung da myam ba mukha na taram no okchari yam ngai je mamang da khoi gi yamna maru oiba wafam sing thambi khre makha ta da khoi na lak chening si khoi gi gym da lak ba hai si tongan ba issue sing health problem sing pura ga lak ka doini general oina thengna ba matam da khoi gi karam ba issue sing di pura ga lak pa thengna
khara amna la I see you know thin oi weight increase tawningi muscle hapningi ko moi su lai and me heavy weight lai sleepless problem lai adagi muscle building tawna ba lai ko fashion ye line moi model oiningi actor oiningi aduna within 1 month we need to build within 3 months we need to build adum mayam am lai aduga khoi chu makhan thengnare ko mental issue lai ba su stress lai ba mi ko stress huzikan stress yam lai banina you know maximum 50% of the people come for stress management.
Stress management haraga akhoi mental health sisu akhoi overall fitness ta yamna maru oiba part ama oiri banina masigi damakta tongan ba kari karam exercise
holistic health ko holistic health se akhoi holistic harabada internal healing ne ko internal healing high basidi ko akhoi gumba exercise tawdang na yade weight lifting na yade ko akhoi yoga khara yawa stretching tawa meditation tawa adu me am the combination taraga holistic healing mental health haise ai gi wakhanadi adu ne khal
adu hoji mamang na panbi ki ba akhoi underweight oiba mioi sing se underweight oiba mioi sing si manage tawna bai damakta magi muscle mass se build tawna bai damakta kari
the diet is very important, the protein intake is important, the balanced diet is the main thing for increasing muscles.
Adagi yam nungaise aduga makha tabda ina lakchani se akhoi gym da workout tawba haibasi akhoi yamna patience ama change masigi patience akhoi hafta ama chalamaga or tha ama chalamaga tokhiba mayam ama yaunari neba haiba patience se build up tawba moiba motivate tawbiba ama su changa doine masigi matang dadi kari karama
so motivation se ko akhoi gym se da lakpada environment is very important. What kind of people are working out? Gym je huzikan de ko business center dong tawre ko networking place. What kind of people working out? What kind of trainers you have? How well educated they are to teach requirement ko. Akhoi a member me am sige. And good music is one of the criteria. And then of course good equipment and a good programs. All this put together motivation level that increase tawe.
Yam nungaise yam marik chumna thambiri aduga makha tabda mulak chaning isna akhoi gym da chatpa ngamjadaba magi tongan ba maram sing dagi gym da chatpa ngamjadaba haitare adubu fit oina di leijaning ba yum da exercise tawjaning ba kanguna di kari tawba ya hebda mate
as yum da exercise yam tawba ya khre ko ai ngasai haijakre step leiraga na step ta hangat handa chen bi ro adagi chong bi ro adagi akhoi floor exercise akhoi body weight training na malai equipment su yaw badarkar oide gym equipment gym da chatpa darkar oide akhoi body weight training se yum da tawbada half an hour 45 minutes tawbada the person will be fit
atopa external weight yaw da body weight se khaktang na sanabada akhoi gi haksang si yam phana leibe ai na takpiri yam nungaise aduga mayam na khangning ba haitare yam interesting su oiba topic am khak oiri ba akhoi gi yam stubborn fat sing se akhoi gi belly da leiri ba akhoi gi khadang da leiri ba akhoi thighs da leiri ba sigumba yam stubborn oiba pak hek chatlu ya da fat sing se masi matang da tackle to busidi kamai to
at least one need to run half an hour a day. Running and jogging is important. I'm walking se ko half an hour adu chalaga ko overall body se adadum fat reduce tawraga adu gi mathakta toning tawba exercise tawba aduna best.
Yam nungaise yam marik sumna thambiri aduga makha tabda mulak chaning isna akhoi gi ahlaman singi matam dagi haitare nasadu humang lawthone humang tahalune humang lawtho haibasi yam toina taba wafam khangneba akhoi gi haksang gi humang si lawthok pasi kayam yam important loi.
It's very important. You basically burning bad toxic, right? Toxic me am do lawthok toini aduna you know skin zu kanare anaba me am zu burning tawre so ai wakanda di as long as you sweat it out it is good.
Yam nungaise aduga mamang da madam na thambi khibada akhoi gi exercise any form da tawbe ai na takpiri ar tongan ba issue singi akhoi gi health problems singi tongan ba exercise sing khanari kharamana yoga tawnari kharamana swimming tawnari kharamana gym da chatnari ba adu hairi ba sing asi decide tawba si akhoi masana dum tawjagadra or karam ba chana da ba masi gi matang da khathambi
as ai wakhan di I suggest assessment ama tawraga ko magi masagi body mass ke lay fat kya lay karam bataw na cardio darkar oiba oidaba ko mi anaba amada ko heart problem lay mi amda cardio taw na heta taw ya de ba ko adu mi amda assessment tawraga ko program se mana khwai best ne no mana outdoor running taw bi ai no mana swimming taw bi ai no mana yoga taw bi ai no mana gym chat bi ai no mana yum da adum body weight taw bi ai the combination workout is the best.
Yam nungaise yam marik chumna thambiri aduga makha tabdong lakchani si hauji madam na paikhat piri ba yam innovative oiba khoi entrepreneur moina paikhat piri ba hai tare ngasai gi DNA test tobuna chingba adagi assessment tobuna chingba tongan ba facility sing se in a metro city like Bangalore di haiba facility sing se fange Madam ki expectation da hai tare Imphal da ekoi lairiba Manipur sida karamba matam da di phangpa yabagi chance lay
actually I na huzik try tawai ko ai center sida hangjagi ama hangjagi na huzi run na mo so sin na ba tawzari ko mayam na hana run tawraga khoi educate tawbus darkar oi karam krama darkar oi so if I'm able to open 1 year gi manung da Manipur da ma hangjagi kan
hai basi so da maki hang bangam basu oibiyo na I wish tawjage aduga makha tabda lakchani si overall oina healthy living room da akhoi mai on silak na ba exercise tawrak na ba or healthy diet charak na ba damakta mayam si motivate tawba ma change hai ba motivate taw na ba gi damakta ngasi ge akhoi thoramasi bu yengbiri ba akhoi miyoi sing da kari karam ba wafam sing di thambini
requesting mayam oina ko exercise no mother exercise so idana tawi ba outdoor or so running or so adagi yum gi thabak tawu sisu ko no pi adu exercise ma khalam ni ko adu so idana 30 minutes no mother isagi time log thoga isagi phana ma tawi ba
yam nungai je aduga overall oina lainaba gi healthy oina lainaba gi tamang haija batar general advice mayam da pibining ba horoi ba ngang sing hayeng wai phau ba adum healthy oina lainaba gi tamang ta kari
eat clean do sports outdoor fitness outdoor workout I think so that will make all the kids become healthy and fit India
yam kana ba akhoi gi loksan bari yam kana ba wafam sing thambiri yam nungai je akhoi gi fit India ama oina ba gi damangta akhoi gi sigumba exercising tauba adagi phajana saba thakba haibasi yam important oibasi haibasi takpiri yam nungai je madam akhoi gi studio da lengbi raktuna akhoi gi ngasi gi thoram masibu mapung phan biba yam nungai je makha tabda akhoi na khangjaning ba kya amadi leiri adu akak na ba matam oibani na akhoi thoram masi matang asita loisin jana ba gi yabdo logjage
thank you very much kurumje
ngasi gi damakta di yengbi ba khwai khibik tagi kaina na ba thangni jari pinabirasi